These turn signals right here won't blink. They just stay on. The problem is the relay flasher, and I'll show you how to fix it coming up. This beer right here is pretty good, by the way. It's the shock top apple wheat. Emphasis on the wheat. So the relay flasher is located right under the seat. It's easy to take out, just 2 wires connected to it. It's a 12-volt flasher. The one on the right is the new one. And here, after putting it on, it flashes. But it flashes pretty slow. I bought this mini bullet turn signal for the front, and they work really well. Let me show how they're installed right now. There's only 2 wires, positive and negative. The positive running light is the solid black, and the striped one is the ground. However, I didn't need to plug in the ground for the front, but for my turn signals in the back there was 3 wires and one of them went into the ground, just not the front. So for the front I just taped up the ground and shoved it back in. There we go. This is the main fuse right here. It's the only fuse on the bike, I think. It's 15 amps and in blue. So I bought a box of them for a couple bucks. I think the size was 24 millimeters. I just measured the old one and bought the same size. You'll notice right here the signals aren't turning on. That's because the bike needs to be running to give it enough juice to blink. Here they are. They're blinking faster now that the bike is running. And here's the rear blinker. Works pretty good. And here you go. This is how the bike looks right now. I'm liking how it looks right now. So let's take it out for a spin.